On exam day in year 2018, you are seated in a folding chair inside a converted high school basketball gymnasium with approximately 100 other stressed engineers. Your assigned seat is located 2 desks away from the double-door fire exit. Directly outside the doors, a commercial riding lawnmower operates continuously, producing 92 decibels of noise while simultaneously rattling the doors and launching grass clippings underneath them into the testing area. At the same time, contractors on the roof are performing maintenance involving repeated hammer strikes, generating an additional 88 decibels of noise throughout the exam. Assuming both noise sources occur simultaneously, which they did, determine the combined noise level experienced by the examinees who paid several $100s for this experience. So if you can tear your attention away from my personal anecdote of the PE, you will notice that the problem statement is asking us to find the combined noise level from 2 different sounds. Searching the keyword noise in the reference manual will take you to Chapter 6, to an equation for total sound pressure level. This is abbreviated as SPL and is expressed in units of decibels. It is written as SPL total equals 10 times the log base 10 of the summation of 10 raised to the power of SPL over 10. So, to combine decibel levels, we take 10 log base 10 of the sum of each noise level, converted back from decibels using 10 to the power of SPL over 10. So let's expand this equation to include one open variable for each noise source. The SPL of one source is given directly as 92 decibels, and the other is 88 decibels. Solving partway, we can see that this becomes 10 times log base 10 of 221,585,0537. And finally, this simplifies down to about 93.45. So what we learn here is that the combination of 2 sources of noise becomes slightly louder than either one of them. It is not the sum, not the average, and not simply the louder of the 2. I hope this problem is helpful and that you don't experience anything like this scenario on your exam day. Just in case, don't forget your earplugs.